of our land would escape untouched, except possibly by radioactive fallout. Now, here are things you need to know. First, the warning signals. There are two of them, and it's important that you know the difference. The attention or alert signal is used for peacetime emergencies, tornado and hurricane warnings, industrial explosions, other immediate threats to your safety. The signal is a long, steady blast on the civil defense sirens or other warning devices. It means turn on your radio or television set. Your local authorities have a peacetime emergency message for you. The attack warning signal is a 3 to 5 minute wavering sound on the sirens, or a series of short blasts on whistles or horns. This signal has only one meaning. An actual enemy attack against the United States has been detected. Don't pick up the phone to find out what's happening. The lines need to be kept clear for official emergency use. Don't wait. If you're at work or in school, take cover in the basement or an inner corridor. At home, go to your basement or fallout shelter, or find protection under the stairs. Take a battery-powered radio with you. Then to
The Office of Civil Defense has issued the following message. This is an attack warning. Repeat, this is an attack warning. Attack warning means that an actual attack against this country has been detected and that protective action should be taken. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations shall broadcast emergency action notification message number 2, red card. This station has interrupted its regular program at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency broadcast system. During this period, some stations will stay on the air as part of the emergency broadcast system. Those stations will broadcast news and information for the general public in the assigned areas. You should now tune.
Attack warning red. Attack warning red. Attack warning red. Seek immediate shelter. Seek immediate shelter. Seek immediate shelter. Attack warning red. Attack warning red.